In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Reels default audience on Facebook app. The process is quite straightforward, so please follow the steps outlined in the video until the end. To begin, open your Facebook app and proceed to the menu located at the bottom right corner. Once there, scroll down and locate the Settings and Privacy option. Select it to access the settings. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy interface, let's find the section for Reels. Within the section, you have the option to adjust the default audience for your Reels. You can set it as public, friends, or friends accept, depending on your preference. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.